The best robot vacuum just got better, reaching a level of worry-free automation that we've never had before. Yes, this is a new X40 Ultra from our sponsor Dreame, and it comes with a couple of groundbreaking new features that I haven't seen on any robot vacuum to date, including the brand new side reach technology, which uses AI to swing out the side brush so it can clean previously impossible to reach corners, as well as under doors, appliances, and couches. And that comes on top of the Mop Extend Robo Swing tech that came with the previous X30 Ultra robot vacuum that I've been personally using at my home for the last few months. So before I dig in and explain how all of this tech works, I want to quickly compare the new X40 Ultra to the previous X30 Ultra to show you guys exactly what's new. The unboxing experience is just as great as before, packing all the accessories you'll need, including your mop brushes, which magnetically pop into the bottom of the robot vacuum, where you'll see the new motorized spin brush, which works like a dream, and they even came out with a new tri-cut main brush, which is designed to cut hair with these built-in razor blades that'll never allow hair to accumulate, which is awesome, and you can purchase it separately for either the new X40 Ultra or the X30 Ultra, which is pretty cool. Just look at how the hair bunches up on the ends of regular brushes, which means you'll have to constantly clean out the hair, but with the new tri-cut brush, hair gets instantly cut into smaller pieces so it can never bunch up. Now, the new X40 Ultra has been upgraded with a massive up to 12,000 PAs of Vormax suction power compared to 8,300 on the X30 Ultra, so you get even better vacuuming performance. The base station itself looks similar, but the mop self-cleaning has been upgraded in two major ways. The first is that it now uses 70 degrees Celsius hot water instead of 60 on the X30 Ultra, which will help scrub out stains. And number two is that the washboard self-cleaning has been upgraded with a newly added duo scraper, which means more efficiently washing both the mop and the washboard itself. And as far as the robot vacuum, the new X40 Ultra has also been upgraded with a new Omni Dirt stain detection technology, which uses multiple cameras and sensors to detect tough stains like this coffee stain on my floor. So after it's done cleaning, it will go back and re-wash it again, which is really cool. And it has dirty water detection to help make sure it re-washes the mops more often if your floors are dirtier than usual. And now, with that said, let me quickly mention how easy it is to get set up before I dig into the new features. The base station comes with a hidden slot that covers up the dust bag, which automatically collects and stores up to 75 days worth of dust by auto-emptying the dust from within the robot vacuum's internal dust tank after every cleaning, or more often if you'd like within the settings. And yes, it comes with an extra bag in the box, as well as a brush tool for cleaning and a container of concentrated cleaning solution, which you mix with water and plug into the base station, where it'll automatically be distributed and mixed with water for mopping. At the top, you've got two tanks, one for clean water, which will automatically refill the internal water tank inside of the robot vacuum to keep the mops wet for longer, and then one tank for dirty water, which gets pumped out of the base station during self-washing. And all together, you get a completely hands-free experience, especially since the mop pads clean themselves, as well as the base station's washboard itself, and it even blows hot air to dry the mop pads after cleaning so they never smell. Those are just some of the reasons why I fully believe this is the best robot vacuum on the market. But what I love the most is the Dreame Home app that lets you pair the X40 Ultra in seconds before running the fast mapping feature, where the robot vacuum will detach the mop pads, lift up the motorized side brush, and drive around your entire floor, creating a detailed map of your home. And a cool detail is that the side brush, the mop pads, and the main brush can all independently be lifted up depending on the mode and scenario to avoid spreading dirt, which is really cool, but even better, the Clean Genius feature intelligently identifies and splits up your home into different sections or rooms, which makes it super convenient if you want to just clean one room at a time, and it can even detect different floor types, which you can then customize to add or modify carpet areas, and even add no-go zones, which I did for my pantry closet. It even has a pet recognition mode, which will take obstacle avoidance actions more carefully during cleaning, and it can strategically clean the pet surrounding areas more often and customize the settings to adjust for pet hair, including auto emptying more often. I tested out the obstacle avoidance and it worked extremely well, avoiding all of these toys, so it's pretty impressive. The app also has tons of features and customization options, including multiple cleaning modes, with my favorite being vacuum and mop at the same time, as well as suction power, wetness, mop washing frequency, route, and then carpet cleaning modes like mop detach and mop raise, carpet boost, and clean carpets first, which is my favorite, making sure it always cleans the carpets before it starts to wash the mops. Then there's the new stain recognition feature settings, the AI-driven side brush and mop extend settings, and the dock settings, including water temp, auto wash and rewash, washing modes, auto drying and drying time, auto emptying settings, and so much more, including scheduling and real-time camera. And now with that finally out of the way, I've got to talk about how well it cleans. Starting with vacuuming, it did extremely well at picking up all of the debris, including these chip crumbs that I sprinkled on the carpet, but the floor cleaning is by far my favorite part because it can both vacuum and mop at the same time. So at the front, the updated side brush sweeps debris, crumbs, and whatever else into the range of the main vacuum brush, so everything gets picked up as it passes by, while at the same time, the dual spinning mops are mopping at the back to get everything done in one go. But the new side reach motorized side brush is absolutely incredible. For the first time, being able to reach 90-degree corners and brush out debris, which would be literally impossible to do on any other robot vacuum that I've seen, which was the biggest complaint because so many areas would be completely missed. But now you can see all of these areas being cleaned out properly, as well as the brush lowering down and brushing underneath low profile gaps like under doors, under appliances, under hidden areas under my cabinets, under rounded furniture like my basket for my blankets, deep into and around furniture and chair legs, and even swiping up all of these crackers under my couch and pushing it towards the main brush to get it all perfectly cleaned up. This right here is a major innovation, and this by itself makes it a world of a difference in terms of cleaning performance compared to any other robot vacuum that I've seen. But then on top of that, it also has the Mop Extend Robo Swing tech, which allows the mop pads to have edge-to-edge cleaning for baseboards and my cabinets, since the mop swings out, which used to be a major pain point with robot vacuums, but not anymore. On top of that, the brush pads can get into gaps like under furniture, around chair legs, under appliances, and it can reach into corners just like the side brush to make sure every spot and corner is properly mopped. The Mop Extend feature by itself makes it so much better than many other robot vacuums out there, since they can't mop close to walls, but the X40 Ultra can. And to finish it off, the battery life is amazing because I started fast mapping with 72% battery life, and it finished vacuuming and mopping my entire floor, including cross pattern vacuuming my rug to make sure it didn't miss a spot, all in less than 1.5 hours with 34% battery remaining. So I probably could have had it vacuum and mop everything twice with a full charge and had some extra battery life left over. And the best part is that when it was done, it re-washed the mops, including the base station, with hot water, and then turned on the hot drying sequence to dry the mops to avoid any bad smells, so it'll be ready for the next cleaning. Overall, I fully believe this is the best robot vacuum you can get right now, getting the closest to fully automated hands-free cleaning that I've ever seen, especially with the new tri-cut brush that gets rid of hair buildup. So with that said, I'll leave links to where you can buy it down in the description below. Thanks Dreame for sponsoring this video, and if you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the button above to subscribe, and definitely check out one of those two videos right over there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.